Konar, a scientist in the Analytical Research, Development and Lifecycle team at Hikma Pharmaceuticals in Columbus, Ohio, which specializes in developing and manufacturing oral and nasal products. Day to day, my work involves a dynamic mix of lab work, data analysis, and documentation. I typically begin by planning and prioritizing testing based on current business needs, helping to keep our workflow focused and efficient. During testing, I make it a priority to observe and troubleshoot any unexpected results. I look closely at the results to ensure we have a better understanding of results. My goal is always to follow a right first-time approach. Getting things right the first time doesn't just save time and resources, but it also helps us work smarter, reduce waste, and keep the whole process running efficiently. Quality is essential to everything we do, especially within such a highly regulated industry where compliance is non-negotiable. That's why we approach every step with attention to detail so that our outputs meet the highest standards from the outset. One of the main challenges in product development is managing the unpredictability that comes with testing. When results don't align with expectations, it can be challenging to pinpoint the root cause among multiple variables. That's why a proactive and detail-oriented approach is so important. At the same time, the role offers plenty of exciting opportunities for growth. I get to expand my knowledge through exposure to diverse formulation types and cutting-edge technologies. There's also access to hands-on training with specialized instruments and the opportunity to move between teams such as quality or operations, which really helps broaden our perspective and skill set. What makes it even more enriching is the multicultural environment at Hikma. Working alongside colleagues from different backgrounds fosters a culture of shared learning, collaboration, and continuous development, both professionally and personally. Working at Hikma is both rewarding and inspiring. Hikma upholds rigorous standards, GMP compliance, and quality assurance, which makes being part of the team incredibly meaningful as we know that we are contributing to better health outcomes around the world. What stands out is the environment of continuous learning. There's a strong support for professional development, which empowers you to keep progressing in your career. Overall, Hikma is an excellent place for anyone who wants to make a meaningful contribution to global health.